In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Klarna to your Stripe account in just 5 minutes. Whether you're running an online store or simply looking to expand your payment options, integrating Klarna can be a great way to offer more flexibility to your customers. Let's walk through this process together, step by step. To begin, you'll need to head to stripe.com. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in stripe.com, then press enter. Once you're on the Stripe homepage, look for the Sign In button, usually located in the upper right corner. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Now you'll need to enter your email and password associated with your Stripe account. Make sure you've entered the correct details to avoid any issues signing in. Once you've filled in your credentials, click the Sign In button to log into your account. If your account is secured with two-factor authentication, Stripe will send you a verification code. Be sure to check your email or text messages for this code. When you have it, enter the code in the designated field. This step is a security measure to ensure that it's really you accessing your account. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Stripe dashboard homepage. From here, look towards the left side of your screen and locate the Settings option. Click on it and it will take you to a new Settings overview page. Within the settings, find the section labeled Product Settings. Under this category, you'll see an option called Payments. Go ahead and click on it. This will direct you to the payment settings page where you can manage various payment methods. Scroll down until you see a section titled Payment Methods. Here you'll be able to see all the payment options available to integrate with your Stripe account. Look for Klarna in this list. It might be situated alongside other popular payment methods like PayPal and Apple Pay. Once you've located Klarna, there should be a toggle or switch next to it. Simply click this toggle to enable Klarna as a payment method for your account. Once enabled, Klarna will be active and ready to use as a payment option on your checkout pages. And that's it. You've just successfully added Klarna to your Stripe account. By doing so, you've broadened your payment options, potentially increasing your sales by allowing your customers the flexibility to choose Klarna during checkout. Remember to regularly check your payments and settings from the Stripe dashboard to ensure everything runs smoothly for you and your customers. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or run into